For Team Excellence PK Exchange, we have Alcaraz, Gonzales, Aslarona, Patigdasgani, and Damasco. Crujip, Ronnie Salansan. So, jump ball situation between Gonzales and Refalpa. First possession, and we are on our way. Wasalak basketball, Policarpio. Here comes number 3. Gonzales, not that time, second try for Gonzales. So, Team Excellence basketball. Here comes Aslarona. Passes to Patigdas. Easy basket against Policarpio. Policarpio cross court to Menya. 5 seconds to shoot. Menya. Refalpa shoots. Tumama sa ring. Good ball. Refalpa once again. 2 points. Long by Team Wasalak. Pakursa to Menya. Menya. Challenging diet. Amorim drives. Hands up defense. Agawan ni Bang Amorim for the second try. By Team Excellence. Laban Menya drives. Nagawan Buscaino. Pagdalapira ni Buscaino. Dito for Team Wasalak. Amorim nakawala. Nakapit Garcesa. Nakita si Bautista. Easy 2 points. Hugayat. Wide open is Galimbas. Ganda ng peke ni Galimbas. 3 seconds violation. Go doon. Team X. Wasalak. Menya. Looking for his teammates. Gathers his green ball. Alley play to Ardeza. Ardeza sa ilalim. Masyadong malalim. Second try ni Ardeza. Damasco. Patigdas. Kumuha ng bola against Songko. Patigdas ulit. Patigdas. Left in. Simple basketball. Mr. Simple basketball yan. Si Mike Patigdas. Challenge na rin si Songko. Menya. Good line. Pero nakuha na Patigdas. Ganda ng pasa. Domingo. Gonzales. Damasco nakawala. Ganda ng bounce pass. Pero stolen by Menya. Here comes Domingo. Running with Pausa. Refalpa as the trailer. Shot para kay Domingo. Pero Refalpa. Alcaraz. Bounce pass to Rodayag. Mike Gonzales, no good. Buscano. Tomenia. Refalpa. Ganda ng pasa ay Domingo. Domingo, good fake. For 2 points. Time out. Tao Gaming. Buscano with a stolen basketball. Pinasa ay Domingo. Domingo. No! Refalpa sa foul. Nag-might kasama ng foul. Okay, Refalpa. Kiss it up. Domingo.